Question number 6, it says f of x is equals to x square minus 7x and g of x is x plus 3. Very straightforward. The minimum possible value of f of g of x minus of 3x. So now I'm trying to find out what f of g of x first and then do a minus 3x from there. That is something that we have to remember. Let's first find f of g of x. So if I have to find f of g of x, then I'm going to, instead of this x, put the value as gx, correct? So gx is what? X plus 3. So x plus 3 whole square, and instead of this x also, I will put x plus 3, minus of 7 times of x plus 3. Now what were we trying to calculate? F of g of x minus of 3x, correct? So from this, I will do a minus of 3x, and then I will get my total function, which I need to minimize. So x plus 3 whole square minus 7 times of x plus 3, and now do a additional minus 3x over here. Right now, let's just try and solve this and see what kind of a function does it gives me. X square plus 9 plus of 6x, and this then turns out to be equals to minus 7x minus 21, and a minus 3x is what you are looking at. So what are we getting? We are getting x square over here, and we are getting minus 4x over here, and then we are getting a minus of 12 over here. This is turning out to be my given function f of g of x minus of 3x, right? We need to minimize this. This is a quadratic equation. That means the graph is going to be upward open. So somewhere at the middle is where it is going to be the minimum, and that midpoint is given by what? If you have a quadratic equation, ax square minus bx, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, suppose this is the quadratic equation, then the minimum of this is going to be at minus b by 2a. So if you look at a minus b by 2a over here, it is going to be 4 by 2 times of 1. So it is going to reach its minimum at x equals to 2. Put this x equals to 2 back into this function, and you will get the minimum value of this. So it is going to be 2 square minus 4 times of 2 minus of 12. So you're getting 4 minus of 8 minus of 12. That is going to be equals to minus of 16. Option C, minus 16, should be the minimum value of this function.